I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller challenge, and this is week 5. And we need something maroon, and I've got these flowers that are maroon. I don't know which ones I'm going to use or if I'll use all of them. My kitty cat's really having a good time. We need a repeating pattern found in nature. I've got these leaves and I've got this butterfly. We need eating or cooking utensils. I've got this scrapbook paper, and it's got all kinds of forks, knives, and spoons on it. And I'm going to use it as background paper. Something hung on the wall. I've got this painting called A Woman with a Parrot and a doodle. I've got my markers and stuff here. And the last one, the bonus, is typewriter text. Now, I know I have some of my mom's recipes that she typed and I could not find them. But I did come across this old, my daddy back in '81 had bought a boat. And it's been typed in where he, the bill of sale. So I'm going to use that. Alright, so let's get started. I've already inked around the edges of everything that I was going to ink. So I'm going to start gluing, and I'll start with my background paper. I hope all of y'all are doing good. I hope you had a good weekend. Mine was pretty good. I can't complain. That's always a good thing. Got a lot of work done, cleaning the house and all that good fun stuff. Didn't get as much crafting done as I wanted to do. That's always the case. Alright, I'll lay this down. I'm in book 2 of the Harry Potters. Oops, didn't quite get that. Now, normally when I read, I can zip through them, but I've been trying to catch up on videos. And it's especially hard since I have more than one channel. And there's, between the people that you kind of feel like you should watch, there's people you enjoy watching. And I have a lot of those. Just not enough hours in the day. Alright. Now, let's see how I'm going to do this. So it's a little big. I think I can tear that down just a little bit on the, well, I hate to do that. Maybe on this side. Yeah, there we go. And maybe put it down. I tend to go, I like big stuff, and then my book's never big enough. I do want to keep my daddy's name. I'm not worried about the address. That's not the right address anymore in that place. I'm going to cut that down at the bottom. And that place isn't ours anymore. That's better. Now let's see. I'll put my prompt right there. I'll put my leaves. We'll have to go with this smaller flower. That's pretty. And my little butterfly. I like that. I may put another flower just kind of, or the one that matches that one maybe. I don't know. Do I want to be? Nah, we don't want to be matchy-matchy. To break up all that white. Okay, got a plan. Alrighty. It's even been notarized. Back then they used the embossed notary. I haven't seen very many good movies lately. Today's the day after the Super Bowl. I mean, not the Super Bowl, but we know who's going to the Super Bowl. Both were shockers, but I'm not upset. It's nice to see people who haven't been go. Prompt on. Alright, I'll put my prompt on right there. Let's see, let's put these leaves down. These are very delicate too. Hard to, but my glue is very sticky. Well, I really don't want to cover up all of the, let's see, I'll put that one down here. That way we can still see some of the silverware. This was going to be a quick video. Alright, put our butterfly on. My fingers are sticky. To do after I get this on are my doodles. All right. Touch the rest of it with art glitter glue. Oh, well, that's okay. See more of the silverware. I could glue it back down, but that's fine. Alright. Now let's see. Let's see if I have a maroon. That looks maroon. Just play it around. Alright, I think I'm going to add a little washi for decoration. Let me see what we have. That one's a little too wide. I like this one. Something to kind of break up the edges here. See what else I have. Maybe something a little bit narrow. This is narrow. My hands are so dry. Maybe kind of he's not wanting it. There, I love it. We've got something maroon. I've got my flowers. I've got my marker. A repeating pattern found in nature. I've got my leaves and my butterfly. Eating or cooking utensils such as a spoon, and I've got all of that on the background paper. something hung on a wall, a painting, doodle, and typewriter text. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.